What's going on, guys? Justin here. If you're checking out the channel for the first time, thanks for checking out. If you are a previous subscriber, you may have noticed that the name on the channel has changed. It's going to be Garage Metric now, pretty much because everything we work on in the garage is metric. It's pretty obvious. It's pretty simple, straight to the point. Along with that, you'll see some builds, like I have a 97 Impreza wagon build that has a full-on cage. It's Forester XT swapped, all that fun stuff. Got to do a motor build on that. It's already pulled. Just gotta disassemble, reassemble, build better, all that fun shit. Some of the other cars, we have a new Rallycross project on the roster. I have some of those videos already up. It's pretty much just getting it running. Next, we're going to start going through the body, seeing what needs to be fixed. Lastly, for projects, I got my 05 Legacy GT. That right now is currently my daily. Over the summer, fall, I did a motor rebuild on that. A lot of other bits have already been done to it. I have to go through the suspension, stuff like that. But next on that project, I'm going to be doing a clutch and then eventually the dyno. We will be hitting up the boys over at Kinetic Motorworks. So beyond that, that's the gist of the channel. I do quite a few different DIYs. I will be doing more product reviews also, so keep an eye out for that. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm pretty close to 100. That's my new goal. Once I get the 100, I get to do the custom URL. But beyond that, next project, I don't know, Legacy seat mod. I'm not sure what the next one will be. But for the actual channel, I have my brother working on new custom logo, doing a watermark. We're going to be doing some stickers, stuff like that, just to get the word out there. 2021, we're going to try to come pretty hard, since 2020 was a complete wash. Come springtime, we're going to have the Impreza Hill Climb build completed and competing. Hopefully have the Legacy GT in a few road courses. I would love to do Lime Rock. That's high up on my list of things to do course-wise. Also, check out Cannon. I've done that once before. And as for the Rallycross car, me and my girl, we're going to get the car going. Well, we're going to shoot for stock class, give it hell, and see what a stock Impreza can do. It should be pretty interesting. I will be videotaping the whole show, so you'll see the fails, maybe some wins. I am not really sure about that. I'm just in it for fun. But yeah, stay along for the ride. If you have any comments, questions, hit me up. That's about it. Thanks for checking out the channel. I'll do hopefully periodic updates weekly. We'll see how that goes. It's dead of winter right now, so it's kind of slow going because of winter, but I don't know. I'll try to do a few more DIYs, small things here and there. But yeah, like I said, thanks for checking out the channel. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and check back for more cool stuff. Well, hopefully cool stuff. Thanks. Bye.